Hello, everyone. Hello, my dear friends. Welcome back to the English Hub.
Hi, friends. We are so happy you're here today.
At the English Hub, we believe something very simple.
Yes, we believe English is for everyone,
For kids,
for beginners,
for parents.
and for families learning together.
Here, we speak slowly,
We use easy words,
and we explain everything step by step.
so please relax,
Sit comfortably.
take a deep breath.
You are in the right place. Friends, before we begin, please do something for us.
Please like this video.
When you like the video, it helps other students find us.
Please subscribe to the English Hub,
Subscribing means you learn with us again and again.
and please share this video.
Sharing is caring.
Thank you so much.
Paul, how are you feeling today?
I am feeling very happy today.
Happy is a good feeling.
Yes? Happy means feeling good inside,
Why are you feeling happy?
because it is my favorite time of the year.
Is it because of holidays?
Yes,
Is it because of family time?
yes,
Is it because of Christmas?
yes. Christmas is coming.
Christmas makes many people happy.
People smile more.
People are kinder.
People say nice words.
This is a beautiful season.
Emily, what do you see around you at Christmas?
I see lights.
Lights are everywhere.
I see Christmas trees.
Trees in homes.
Trees in shops.
I hear music.
Yes, Christmas music.
Music makes us feel calm.
Music makes us feel joyful.
Children feel excited.
Parents feel warm.
Christmas changes the feeling of the world.
Paul, let's talk about traditions.
A tradition is something we do again and again.
Families have Christmas traditions.
My family decorates the tree together.
That sounds lovely.
We put lights on the tree.
Lights mean hope.
We put ornaments.
Ornaments are decorations.
We put a star on the top.
The star reminds us of light and darkness.
Emily, what does your family do?
We sit together.
Together means not alone.
We talk.
We listen.
We share stories.
This is very important.
Paul, let's talk about food.
Food is a big part of Christmas.
We eat together.
We do not rush.
We enjoy the moment.
Food brings people together.
When we eat together, we feel connected.
Connected means close.
Family time is special.
Time is the best gift.
Paul, many people buy gifts,
Yes, gifts are nice.
but sometimes people feel stressed.
Stressed means worried.
They worry about money.
They worry about perfect gifts.
They feel tired.
This is not the best part of Christmas.
We must remember something important.
Christmas is not only about things.
It is about a person.
Jesus.
Jesus was born on Christmas.
He was born to bring love.
He was born to bring peace.
He was born to bring hope.
He was born in a simple place.
A stable.
A stable is a place for animals.
This teaches us humility.
Humility means not being proud.
Jesus came for everyone,
Not only rich people,
not only famous people.
but for all people. Paul, the world is very busy.
Yes, very busy.
People feel tired.
People feel worried.
Christmas reminds us to slow down,
Slow down.
breathe.
Rest.
Jesus is called the Prince of Peace.
Peace means calm in the heart.
We all need peace.
Emily, some people feel lonely at Christmas.
Yes, and we want to speak to them now.
Dear friend, if you are alone,
If you feel sad,
if you feel forgotten,
please remember this.
you matter.
You are important.
You are loved.
One name of Jesus is Emmanuel, and
It means God is with us.
you are not alone.
Christmas teaches us to give,
Not only gifts,
but kindness,
time.
love,
We can help others.
help a neighbor,
Help a friend.
help someone in need.
Small actions matter. Now let's practice English together.
Slowly and easily. Vocabulary practice.
Repeat after me. Christmas,
Tree,
light,
star,
peace,
love.
simple sentences. I love Christmas.
Christmas makes me happy.
I am learning English.
English is easy.
Listening tips. Listen to English songs.
Watch English movies.
Speak every day.
Do not be afraid.
Learning English is a journey,
Sometimes slow,
sometimes hard.
but never stop.
You are improving.
We are proud of you.
Thank you for learning with the English Hub.
Thank you for trusting us.
Merry Christmas, everyone, and
May you have peace in your heart.
see you in the next video.
Bye bye.